Hello everybody, welcome to Bon JP, the local traveler, the channel that will make you travel with understanding. In this video, I will take you to the Temple of Dawn or Wat Arun, the best known of Thailand's landmarks. The temple derives its name from Hindu god Aruna, often personified as the radiations of the rising sun. The temple has existed since at least the 17th century, in the period of Ayutthaya Kingdom. Its distinctive prang or spire was built in the early 19th century. The temple enshrined the Emerald Buddha image before it was transferred to Wat Phra Kaew in 1784. The temple was on the grounds of the royal palace during King Taksin's reign before King Rama I, who moved the palace to the other side of the river. It was abandoned until the reign of Rama II, who had the temple restored and had begun plans to raise the main pagoda to 70 meters. So this temple is the symbolic temple of King Rama II. Do you want to know more about this temple already? Follow me. Let's start with how to get there. I will start the trip at That Tien Pier, where I will take the ferry to cross the Chao Phraya River to the Temple of Dawn. Ferry fare is only 5 baht per person. If you miss the ferry, just wait for 15 minutes. There are super classic benches available for waiting on the right-hand side. Here comes the ferry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain speaking. Please take care of your belongings, otherwise it will be lost. In only a few minutes, I already arrived. This is the entrance to the temple. It opens from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The ticket booth is on your left-hand side. For foreigner, there is 100 baht fee per person. There's a free bottle of water per ticket. These are demons of the Temple of Dawn, the first two guardians in Ratanakosin period. They are 8 meters high, and both powerful demons according to the Ramakien epic. The green one is named Tosakan or Ravana, and the white one is named Sahasradesha. There are Chinese statues around the temple, which is the evidence of commercial between Siam or Thailand and China in the early period of Ratanakosin. This is a statue of King Rama II. He was the second monarch of Siam under Chakri dynasty, ruling from 1809 to 1824. His reign was known as the Golden Age of Ratanakosin literature. He was patron to a number of poets in his court, and the king himself was a renowned poet and artist. The central prang is main feature of Wat Arun, which is encrusted with colorful porcelain. It symbolizes Mount Meru of Hindu cosmology. The corners are surrounded by 4 smaller satellite prangs, which are devoted to the wind god, Phra Phai. The central prang is topped with 7-pronged trident, referred to many sources as the trident of Shiva. Over the second turret are 4 statues of the Hindu god Indra riding on Erawan. In Buddhist iconography, the central prang is considered to have 3 symbolic levels. Base for Traipum, including all realms of existence. Middle for Tawatisma, the Dusita heaven where all desires are gratified. And the top denoting Tewapum, indicating 6 heavens within 7 realms of happiness. The building behind these demons is called the Great Crown of Victory or Prat Maha Pichai Mongkut. For locals, it is believed that civil servants such as police and soldier who could pass this gate would advance their careers. Behind the gates, you will see the 2 Chinese stone-carved pillars, and this is the entrance to the main chapel. At Tympanum, there is a wood-carved statue of Bending Garuda, which is only found at this temple. This is the painting on the wall of the gallery. In the gallery of the main chapel, there are 120 stucco Buddha images in the attitude of subduing Mara, the evil spirit. Around the main chapel, there are 8 elephant statues in different attitudes. They were made in the reign of King Rama III in dedication to his father King Rama II, the king of white elephants. This is the ordination hall. At Tympanum, there is a standing deity holding a sword. The building is encrusted with colorful porcelain. This beautiful Buddha image is Phra Phutta Narumit standing in front of the entrance of the main temple hall. The back wall is 3D stucco. Inside there is the presiding Buddha image named Phra Phutta Thammisarat Lokathatilok. The face of the presiding Buddha image was made by King Rama II himself. The paintings on the walls are the stories related to religion and Jakarta. This building is called the main chapel or Vihan Luang. At the Tympanum, there is an angel sitting and holding a sword. Inside the building, there are 2 important Buddha images. The big one, Pang Mara, is called Phra Phutta Champunut Maha Burut Laksana Asitaya Nupapit. The smaller one is called Prajang, which came from Laos. Prajang was made by 2-color metal, which was very rare and unique. This is Bot Noi or subsidiary image hall. Inside, you will find the statue of King Taksin of Thonburi. There is a big Buddha image called Phra Rung Mongkon, which was built since Ayutthaya period. You would probably be surprised to see the locals crawling under King Taksin's bed. It is because the locals believe this would help drive away the evil. This is the subsidiary main chapel, or Vihan Noi. This place used to keep Emerald Buddha image during the reign of King Taksin. When the Emerald Buddha was moved to Wat Phra Kaew, it was replaced by Pratat Chulamani Chedi. This building also stores King Rama II's bed. And that's about it, everybody. I hope you liked the video and it might give you understanding before you visit the Temple of Dawn for yourself. If you need more information, you may check out my description below. Feel free to drop a comment. For anyone who needs a tour guide, you can check out my affiliate link down in the comment to book a tour with a trusted partner. In the next video, I will take you to Wat Po that is famous for the beautiful reclining Buddha image and regarded as Thailand's first university and a center of traditional Thai massage. Stay tuned and subscribe. See you in the next video.